Our world is an employee engagement crisis. Only 13% of employees are engaged in the global workforce, causing dramatic effects in any organization. Your organization can expect a more engaged workforce, improved productivity, an enriched culture, and increased profit. Engage and Grow is not your traditional training company. Training is dead. We're challenging the norm with everything we do, and our customers like it. All programs are individually designed by the Engage and Grow team, enabling you to facilitate the highest quality, tailor-made programs, improve communication skills, create deeper relationships, and foster a caring, social, and cooperative attitude. Our coaching will improve leadership qualities and build solid trust between employees, encouraging innovative thinking and proactive future planning. Engage and Grow will refocus, re-energize, and re-engage your employees, and we have tangible methods to measure the results. Our workforce engagement, leadership effectiveness, women's leadership, and engaging the millennial programs will create movement in the mind of employees and your business, creating a movement that will take your company as an empowered team into the future. Bring the gusto back into your organization. Engage and Grow.
Good evening, everybody. Thanks for joining us today for an insightful webinar on what it takes to be a coach and employee engagement expert with us. Hi, my name is Shobhit Yadav. I'm the country manager for Engage and Grow in India and Gulf. First and foremost, I just want to express my gratitude that we all are safe and very well connected today. Over the next 45 minutes, I would like to touch base on a topic like how big is this industry, why employee engagement is such a crucial thing at the moment, specifically in current time, how it has impacted us professionally and emotionally, and how good is this business opportunity. And for all that, I have someone who's having more than 20 years of experience in international business consulting in various sectors. She's been instrumental in addressing the fundraising, growth, and development issues for Fortune 500 companies. Dear all, please welcome the CEO of Frank Global, Miss Venus Barak. Over to
Thank
you,
you.
Venus.
Thank you so much, Shobhit. And I know you are not well today. So I really appreciate you doing this. It takes discipline, as they say. And as you were just discussing right before this session, this is our 10th edition of our weekly webinar. And I have to thank Shobhit and Dheeraj, who is our marketing director with his team. Thank you so much. I know it is not easy, especially in these times. You have been very helpful. And definitely our chairman, Mr. Gaurav Maria, and everybody else. Even Engage and Grow global team has been very supportive. So I want to thank everyone. And I mean, definitely our participants who have joined us today. I can see we already have a very long list. In fact, I want to take certain names today because I want to make this interactive. And we have directly over 500 plus people have attended these weekly sessions, and we have indirectly reached out to over 2,000 plus people between these webinars and Facebook Live. So, what I wanted to share was anything in life is, is not touch and go. It takes effort, not just an effort, it takes consistent and disciplined effort. So I want to thank each and everyone who has joined us, who have joined us earlier. And we look forward to today share the Engage and Grow business opportunity. Before, and Shobhit would really take you in detail over what that is. But since I'm here, I would like to use my 10 minutes on sort of sharing with you my experience, plus also three different sort of topics. One is what exactly is the business community is facing the challenge now, especially these days. Second, what does being a franchisee or a licensee means? And third, who is the, let's say, the right, I don't want to use the word right, but who would this opportunity suit? So I will cover these three topics. And before I start doing that, I just want a couple of members who I can see on the screen: Abhishek Sharma, Abhishek Singh, Akhil Chok, Ankit. So it's in alphabetic order: Binoy, Bhanu, Avni, Dhivad, Gaurav Kapoor, Ishik. Hi, Ishik. Ishik is our global CEO. I'm glad that she's there. Juhi Nagpal. Welcome, everyone. And we have so many other participants. If while I am sharing my thoughts with you, if I can request everybody to share in the chat box or in the Q&A box, where are you from? If you're from India, which city are you from? And then second, are you an existing professional? Meaning, are you in a job? Are you an existing coach, trainer, or a consultant? So if you and if you are an existing franchisee, so if you can just give us tell me something about yourself, it'll really help me and Shobit to kind of modulate the discussion as much as possible to help you. And if you can also share with us, if you are looking to how long you have been, are you looking to buy a franchise in next 3 to 6 months? Yes and no, just share with these details, and we'll try and cover these topics as much as possible as we have this session. We have an hour, and we will ensure that this is worth your time. Okay, I value it. I value my time and value your time. Now, coming back to the three topics which I want to cover today. Before I do that, I think let's congratulate all ourselves. The numbers for the quarters have come in. I think the economy in our country is recovering, which is a good sign. Diwali is also coming, so it's positive news. I don't want to use the word good news, but it's a positive news that. I think overall, the feedback is about 85% of businesses are open now, which is a good thing. That's something that means the economy is getting back. And apart from that, I'm speaking to my, where I buy my groceries from, or where I get my haircut, although I haven't had a haircut in a while, but where I get my, pedicure done. They are saying that last weekend they did sales of 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs. So there's a good so people are now connecting back to consumption. That's what it is all about. So that's a good sign. Hopefully we can carry it through while managing the virus. So that's a good news for us. Now, coming back to my points. So I think overall, the businesses today, I will talk both SMEs as well as decent sized businesses. They are facing a lot of disruption today. And what this pandemic has done is it has just brought that disruption much more it just sped up the time. If it was to be done in 5 years, now it has happened in 5 months. So disruption is happening quite a bit. Businesses today are not just short of capital, which is important part, but they're short of valuable human resource, skilled human resource, supply chain. They have to adapt to technology very, very fast. I mean, you cannot just have it, okay, हम एक software लगा देंगे. It is a big disruption where, let's say, a big trading business of 500 people has to adapt to technology. So there's a lot of disruption happening, as simple as work from home. A lot of businesses are just not ready, their employees working from home. So that is also disruption. So all these have really our businesses are under tremendous pressure to adapt, right? And to innovate, and at the same time be relevant for what's coming. So all these things. So employees have become, of course, we do have there's a tremendous amount of and very painful job loss which has happened across the spectrum. But the employees which are there, especially what I would call in the in the uh, in the senior segment, and especially in business development and sales and marketing, which are typically essential for any business to recover. And they're most of them are working from home. They're all over the place, so they do. And HR as a team is, I think it would be hard for them to really patch up and fill the gap which is there. Trainers as a, I mean, I think training as such also, 1 or 2 day training is not going to fill that gap. So that's where in my experience coaching kind of really helps, because coaching is not about, okay, I've been hired and I've been given 20,000 rupees to deliver a training to a team of 15 people. मैं सुबह आऊंगा और मैं शाम को चला जाऊंगा, and that's it. No, a coach's job is to first understand, take all the information from HR, not just from HR, but from owners. They do that, and after that they diagnose it. कि gap कहाँ पे है, कि टीम का morale down है, या फिर there are some other problems in the process. क्या problem है क्या? Once that problem is identified, they structure a program. वो program structure हो गया, उसके बाद they deliver that program, which and ultimately it is a result oriented structure. So a coach has to deliver the result which were agreed at the beginning of the project, at the end of the project. So it's a very holistic relationship. And one thing which we don't realize, but which is the truth, that in India coaching is very pervasive. हमारे यहाँ तो बच्चे को 5 साल का होता है, उसको ट्यूशन पे डाल देते हैं. हाँ जी, आप सर मैडम से आप ये इंग्लिश को सीखिए, आप मैथ सीखिए. Till the time they are in college, they are in coaching, right? Even in their engineering, they are in coaching. But uske baad, once we are out in the big bad world, I guess coaching, we somehow think that we might not need that support. We will always need that support. And I think the coaching and especially a lot of this has already happened in the West. So वहां पे IP है, वहां पे बहुत ज्यादा रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑलरेडी हो चुकी है, बहुत बड़ी इंडस्ट्री है. इन अमेरिका दिस इज a $3 billion इंडस्ट्री. सो ऑलरेडी वहां पे इतनी ज्यादा रिसर्च, R&D सब कुछ हो चुका है. So इसलिए we took that effort, and we bring to you brands like Engage and Grow, जिनके पास already they have done all the R&D, and they service the most sophisticated, mature, competitive markets in the world. And they have the best content, best delivery. They work with Fortune 500 companies, so they meet all this. And then they package the product in a manner that it can be taken to anybody. So on that note, I will come to how should you think about franchising? अगर आपने ये session पहले attend नहीं करा है, so I'll just give you a perspective. So franchising at the end of the day is expansion of a brand through inorganic channel, meaning it's a brand, it's a business, it's a product, and it can be taken to, for example, 1,000 locations. And what you do if you have to take a business to 1,000 location, या तो आप बैंक से पैसा उठाएंगे, इंटरेस्ट पे करेंगे, either you will take an equity, you give your equity up, right? But in franchising, you are actually getting other people into your business by investing their time and money, but the brand, the IP, the system is yours. That is what franchising is at the core. It is working with other people through your brand, and you can only do so if you have a brand. So that's why a business like Engage and Grow, we are the master franchisees for Engage and Grow in India. We are not just working as a consultant and as a broker for them, which is my core business. We have taken that responsibility to one, understand the brand, the business, and the scope of that in India. इंडिया में हमारे पास 1000 एंगेजिंग ग्रो के कोचेज हो जाए पता भी नहीं चलेगा, हमारी मार्केट इतनी बड़ी है, you know. So that's why we have taken the and what we are now looking for, and then I'll come to profile. So franchising is a plug and play model. Plug and play वैसे कि you have understood from a franchisor perspective, right? उनके पास एक ब्रांड है, एक बिजनेस है, जिसकी मार्केट है, उनके पास सिस्टम है, R&D है, प्रूफ concept की proofing हो चुकी है, and then you come in and then you actually plug yourself, get yourself trained, and then do that business, right? It's a plug and play model. Now, coming back to the profiles of for a business like Engage and Grow, the Engage and Grow business is not like opening a bar, a restaurant, a school. इसमें आपको कोई दुकान नहीं खोलनी है. You are not opening a shop. You are not going to a mall developer के हाँ जी बताइए का कितना किराया है. All those things are not there. It is not a capital heavy business. It is a people heavy business. It is a time heavy business. It is a brand heavy business. And brand corner, you are the brand. So you are you become the brand in this business, and then you sell yourself with the endorsement, with the backing, with the systems of a brand like Engage and Grow. So that is what this is, and for this business, I don't need to go to let's say people who understand real estate or who understand who come with crores and crores of investment. हम बताएं जी मैडम जी ROI कितना है, वो नहीं, ये बिजनेस उसके लिए नहीं है. अगर आपको सिर्फ ROI के बारे में बात करनी है, इट इज वेरी रीजनेबल टू इंक्वायर कि हाँ जी अगर मैं पैसा लगा दूं तो क्या मिलेगा. बट दिस इज नॉट कि हाँ जी आपने 10 करोड़ रुपया लगा दिया फैक्ट्री में और आपके पास 3 साल बाद you would get no, it's not like that. Here you are everything. You are the business entity yourself, like me. I am a business entity. That's what you are in this business. So imagine that. So it equals to, you have to first understand that this business requires you to work with people. Very important. If you can't work with people, then this is not the right business for you. Two, you should not be shying away from sales. This business comes down to selling at the end of the day, like every other business. Okay, so if you are not comfortable with selling, and again, it's not like selling, इसमें वो hard selling नहीं है, like a गाड़ी बेचना. In this business, selling means it's soft selling. You have to go and reach out to people cold. And Engage and Grow will train you. Who are those people you should contact? Being able to get, let's say, a call with them or a meeting with them, go and pitch, understand, and then have follow-up meetings and close the account. So it is a very, you are only talking to top management once or it's fairly you won't be talking to sales people in this. जो सबसे hard काम होता है, sales के बंदों को बेचना सबसे मुश्किल काम होता है जिंदगी में. You can ask with me. So इसमें ऐसा कुछ नहीं करना. You are selling to the owner or you're selling to HR, because उन दोनों को ही sort of जरूरत होती है that their employees perform better, because at the end of the day, owner is paying for their salaries and HR is responsible to ensure that they get best of the employees, right? So that's what it is. So I think your profile should be right. You should be able to work with people. You should have be comfortable with sales. Definitely good. You should be presentable, because at the end of the day, people would look up to you as an expert. So if you don't look the part, or especially in the initial days, you should be able to present yourself well. And so these are the main things. And yes, and again, you should be ambitious. I want to be very clear. If you're not ambitious, then I guess whatever you are doing, it's good. We want ambitious people for this particular brand in India, because there is too much to do. There is nobody else who is doing this in India right now. The market is almost, yes, there are coaches, there are trainers, all that is there. 6,500 कितने की? हाँ, 6,500 crore की market है already India में. So market is there of training. So, but this business in coaching, the way Engage and Grow does, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है अभी. And these guys have perfected this. So we need ambitious people who are aggressive, ready to go. Okay, I get my coach tag, I get my coach certificate. I am out of the door. And I'm going to contact 100 companies and I'm going to get on those 15 meetings and I'm going to close 5 accounts. We need ambitious people, right? And then and we will be more than happy to share कि मतलब you know कैसे वो आप how would you do that, we will train you. And then last but not the least, you know, you should be able to manage this, at least account for a 6 months expense in your for yourself and for your family. If you become our coach, we would definitely want you to start earning from the next day, but realistically speaking, you should be planning yourself. It would take 3 or 6 months for you to be really you know be to be there enough that you can at least sort of start paying off and maintaining your lifestyle with that money, and then from there you can of course upgrade yourself. This business is all about upgrading yourself and upgrading your income. The best coaching franchises in the world are, they start with one license and then they multiply it. So they will start one license and then say, okay, मुझको 10 coach के license और दे दो. So they will hire another 5 to 10 coaches under them, right? So it's a business which, so it's a right business for people who like selling, who are qualified professionals, ambitious and love sales. Uske liye then it's a perfect marriage for it. And so those are my few this thing. And again, ROI versus ROT, रिटर्न ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट डेफिनेटली. हमारे लाइसेंस की फीस बहुत हमने इंडिया के हिसाब से रखी है. जनरली बाहर ये 3 to 5 टाइम्स बिकता है. हमने इसकी जो प्राइसिंग है, शोभित वुड शेयर विद यू, it is very very as per India standards. We have kept it low. He would even talk about कि वो रिकवर करने के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा. But we want कि आप उसको अकाउंट करिए अपनी रिटर्न ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट में. But ultimately this project cannot be evaluated just by ROI. It is ROI plus ROT, return on investment and return on time. Return on time मतलब आपने just like your job, आप काम करते, मैं भी काम करती हूँ. I'm also an employee. I've been working for 22 years. काम करने में एटलीस्ट अगर 6 दिन नहीं तो 5 दिन तो डालने पड़ते हैं. 8-10 घंटे काम करना पड़ता है. So if you are doing this for your employer, and if you do this, you would have to do this for yourself because you are employing yourself. That's the so you don't have to do the same thing. And if you do that, you will get 10 times the returns. There's no doubt about that. We are absolutely confident, and that's why we are the master. We have taken the master franchisee of Engage and Grow, and it is something. And we have come to know Engage and Grow team, their community globally. It is a growing community. The concept of engagement, employee engagement, is also growing globally. So a lot of content. It's something which we sort of really respect and look forward to expand this network in India. So I hope I haven't taken much time, although Shobit knows I have. But I think since you have joined us and we have a very big number today, so I think I hope this was interesting for you. Now I will ask Shobit to take over. But even when Shobit is sharing his presentation, if I may ask, please, if you are really interested, just keep on sharing your feedback. We want you to make this worth your while, and so that we can ourselves be better. So thank you so much. And Shobit, the stage is yours.
Thanks so much, Venus. I mean, thank you for taking out your time and sharing your perspective. That really, really required. And then I'm really thankful to you. Also, like meanwhile, I put up my deck, which I prepared for this webinar. In the meanwhile, if we can see, we have some questions, right? I guess there's this.
If you want to take something, you can take it, and if I can help.
Okay, so no, there's no question. There's a people interacting with it. That's really good. We want the engagement, and that is what we are working on it. That's really good. Omkar Sen is mutually agreement is the main criteria to coach a coach. That's very great. coachable moment is important to initiate the coaching. Exactly. So that is our point. That is what exactly Venus has also
That's
mentioned.
right. Very well
Yeah.
put, Omkar Sen.
Yeah.
People connect is very, very important. Hi, Rahul. Rahul Seth, business consultant from Pune. Great, Rahul. Thank you so much for joining us. Pune is a great market. Our other brand in coaching business, Action Coach, has maximum coaches in Pune. Maximum coaches from all across India. So Pune is as you would know, since you are from Pune, I have some very good memories from Pune, from my franchise consulting days. I spent a lot of time, got to work with some great concepts. So great, Rahul. Hope this will interest you. Lalima, working with MSc in Jaipur. Hi, Lalima. So good that you're working with an MNC in Jaipur. And if you are in HR, then this can work, within your organization. Or if you would want to, have a alternative practice, we would love to have that chat. Lalima, oh, you're an HR professional, so this suits you absolutely. Then we have Ankit Arora, business owner from Nagpur. Hi, Ankit. Hope this helps. And Ankit Chuk, IT consultant from Delhi. Sorry, Akhil Chuk. Good to have you, Akhil. I am absolutely worse when it comes to IT. But I hope this will give you a perspective. This Engage and Grow has very strong backup when it comes to having everything automated. So you might enjoy that part. If you're interested in learning and development concepts, it might make sense. So thank you so much. Shobit, let's go ahead. Let's do this, and then we'll take more questions. Keep them coming. We will address them. We'll try and address them as much as possible.
Perfect. Sounds like a good plan. So, like we were talking about the engagement, how crucial the engagement is at the moment, and there is no doubt that this pandemic has a significant impact on employee disengagement at the moment, and engagement is very critical than ever. You know, this silent problem is actually taking a toll on every businesses and the employees, and Engage and Grow specifically target that problem. Engage and Grow born out of passion of getting people engaged, getting employees engaged in their workforce. So we wanted to change that underperforming employees into fully engaged workforce. That is our mission. We exist to reconnect and re-energize those employees. So Engage and Grow came with a very effective, very effective tools with them, which is totally based on the engagement, which has been neurologically designed, which I will tell you, and I will also show it to you, like what are those programs which we are having it. Before let's just go to the let's just start with the presentation first. My screen is visible, right, to everybody?
Yes, it's the first slide.
Yeah, I think it just got stuck with me.
I think you're not able to move it.
I've not
Do,
been able to move. Yeah,
do you want to, stop share and then share again? It might work.
sure, let me try this. Yeah,
Yep.
it's fine. Great. So Engage and Grow, like I was telling you, was totally based on the engagement, employee engagement, and he's the man behind Engage and Grow idea, and he's a creator of Engage and Grow, Mr. Richard Maloney. Not only he's a successful author, like he has been sold many of these books on the mental resilience, stress free, which are visible on your screen as well. Not only he's a successful author, but Richard Maloney himself a very world renowned engagement expert. He also delivers coaching around the globe. And I just want to give you a little brief about Richard Maloney. When Richard Maloney was a sportsman in his career, early in his career, once he's done with his sportsman career, he's he immediately started working with this sports team back in Australia. He has indulged himself in many different sports team in Australia for the 9 years. He spent his vast 9 years with those sports team, engaged those sports manager, management with the sports athletes, and then through those engagement tools which he has created, within those 9 years. Those sports teams, has led to so many grand finales, 30 premiership wins. And that's how the engagement started happening. That's how the noise started making, of Engage and Grow. And Richard Maloney thought of it that why not to implement the same business model into the corporate world as well. That is how the journey started 9 years before. So he, because ultimately what he did, he actually worked with the employees. He actually worked on employees with those engagement tools which he was having it. So whether it is a sport team, whether it is any businesses, whether it is service industry, banking industry, it doesn't matter. As long as we are having employees there, the engagement tools will work on them. And that is how the journey started. So we are having a global presence. I If I have to say, we started in 2012, and now we have reached to 80 plus countries. We have more than 300 plus licensed coaches with us, who we also call engagement experts. Those engagement experts, those coaches have successfully engaged more than 30,000 employees. Which is a very, very significant number, which is a very, very, effective number for any of these businesses to have it. Engaging employees in any of this business or any of this company means you're bringing the productivity back. You're giving those opportunity to the companies to, start having more profitability, start expecting more sales within their company. That's how the company grows. So they have helped more than thousands of businesses and engaged multiple employees around the globe. When I talk about our engagement tools, right, our content is our USP. And you can see these four gentlemen on the screen. These are the four gentlemen who has designed our content. Now, who are these four gentlemen? From left to right, I'm going to introduce you to. From left, we have Mr. Richard Maloney, who is a founder and creator of Engage and Grow. Then we have Marshall Goldsmith, again a world-renowned coach. Then we have Brad Sugar in between. Brad Sugar, who is a founder and creator of Action Coach, another coaching, organization. Then at the end, we have Mark Thompson. So just for an example, guys, because we are in India at the moment, and we know cricket. Everybody knows cricket in country. So when we talk about cricket, the best players comes across Sachin Tendulkar. Everybody knows them. Sachin Tendulkar, Brian Lara. If we talk about globally, these are the players come across. So if we talk about coaching, now be it any coaching, be it life coaching, be it business coaching or executive coaching, any coaching, these are the four gentlemen. Everybody knows them. These are the four major pillars when it comes to coaching. These are the four renowned gentlemen who are, everybody knows their name in the coaching, and they have designed our content. They have invested themselves in our content. So our content is a proven business model. That is why we say that our content is unique. That is our USP. And that engagement tools which they have incorporated in our content is actually proving a great success, delivering a great success to any of the businesses. Who this webinar for? Who is this opportunity for? Like very rightly said by Venus also initially, that we want people who are passionate about it. We want people who are having that zeal to reach out to the companies and help them, who wants to bring back the engagement within the company. We all know we are dealing with such crises. We are dealing with disengagement within the companies, right? So that engagement needs to be back. And not only you'll be having a great financial income also simultaneously, but you also follow your own passion. So people who are passionate in this, who wanted to make a name in this niche industry, this opportunity for them. And by helping the industry, by helping these businesses, whether it is small or the big multinational companies, is you also have an opportunity to create a role in this during this specific time which we are dealing with COVID-19. So for all these things, you have to be really passionate. You'll be your own boss. You're not buying any job opportunity. This is a completely a business model which you're buying for yourself. So this opportunity is completely yours as long as you want to work on it. We want people from the HR industry, business consultant, entrepreneur, anybody can join this. As long as you wanted to make a change, you wanted to do this thing because you're passionate about it, this opportunity is for yours. Now I wanted to quickly show it to you few research worldwide which has happened. There's been a research done by Gallup that only 13% employees are engaged. within the companies or the businesses. Only 13%, which means 87% employees are disengaged in the world. Now, this is a horrific number for any of these companies. I'm not talking about specifically India. This is a global figure, and specifically when we talk about India, we all know what we are dealing with at the moment. Though we have the offices has been started again, but we are dealing with such a low job incomes, low career options. Nothing has been worked out for the companies. So because of this disengagement, we have to change this disengagement into the engagement. That is why the employee engagement is very, very important. This is a very beautiful boat analogy through which I wanted to explain you the business, the business of any of this company and the workforce. So whenever we see any business, like you can see your company, some of the HR are here in the webinar today, and the entrepreneurs, you can see your business, your company. You always find these three type of workforce. And what are those three type of workforce? One is engaged, disengaged, and highly disengaged. These are the three type of workforce are always there in any of these businesses. And let me just explain you what are these three workforce means. Engaged workforce means that employees are efficient with their work, with their roles and responsibilities. They love their job. They're always eager to perform better than the previous time. So these are engaged workforce. This is always there in your company. You always like, okay, this employee is very great. We should give increment or we should praise this employee. These employees are always here. Then comes to the disengaged employees. Disengaged employees, like in this boat analogy also, they are busy in watching sceneries. They're not really paddling the boat. They are okay with this journey. So similarly in the organization as well, we have a workforce who not really efficient with their work. They are okay. They only do whatever you ask them to do, and that is it. They never wanted to apply their mind. you know uh, these are the employees who wait for generally for weekends, not for Mondays, not for their work. They're not very efficient. For example, just for an example, if my boss will ask me to deliver a report by Monday, and even if I could do it, finish it on Friday, I will not do it, because that is not what my heart and mind is after. I'm not very positive for my roles and responsibility, so I will give it on Monday itself. So these workforce is always there. Then we come to the highly disengaged workforce. Now this is completely a dangerous workforce for any businesses. Why? Because these are the employees who talks negative about your brand, about your company. These are the employees who interrupt the engaged workforce or even the disengaged workforce as well. These are the employees who believes in gossiping, not really for their roles and responsibilities or their KRAs. So these type of workforces are always be there in your company. If you look around the numbers, which I wanted to figure it out and I wanted to put it across you, 13% are engaged, 67% are disengaged, and highly disengaged are 20%, which means 87% employees are disengaged. And this is not what we are saying. This is not what Engage and Grow is saying. This has been research done by Gallup, Deloitte. That is why we are putting out this figure. So this 87%, the window of disengagement is an opportunity for all the engagement expert, for all the coaches, to reach out to that window, to reach out to those companies and then engage their workforce, so that the company can be more profitable, can be more productive. And we say, and there's been again a study by Deloitte, that company who are having disengaged workforce in their businesses, they're wasting 34% of their salary on those employees. So for example, if somebody is drawing a salary of some figure, 34% of that figure you're wasting because that employee comes in a disengaged category. You can actually save that amount. You can actually save that amount and then minimize that gap of loss of your businesses. If you do it around the year, you can actually minimize that around. This is a calculation sheet which I specifically wanted to put it across you, and I want you to participate in that sheet. It is a very simple sheet provided by Gallup. So if we talk about head count of any of this company, just to understand the cost which the companies are investing on disengaged employees, this is for that. So you can also do it. If you take a head count of any of this company or your company, just for an example, I take 50 because that becomes an easy calculation. If we are having a head count of 50 employees, in a company, 87% are disengaged. We already know that figure, which means 44 employees out of 50 are disengaged, because the 87% figure is being provided by the Gallup. And the average salary, you can do your calculation. Let me figure it out. 15,000. If we are giving 15,000 to those 50 employees, per salary 15,000. The cost of disengagement we just saw in the previous slide was 34%, which means 5,100 you're wasting out of the 15,000 amount, which any of this employee drawing, and that comes in disengaged category. That means you're wasting 5,100 rupees, monthly on those employees. Just to find out in a month how much company is investing. Even the company was such a small company of 50 headcount, they are investing how much? 44 is disengaged employees. We got to know 5,100 which we are wasting as per the salary, which means 2,24,400 is the amount you're wasting on those 50 headcounts, on those 44 headcounts. I'm sorry, because those 44 are disengaged. And just in case if this figure is not very relatable, I will just allow me to provide you the annual figure. Even the small company of 50 employees can waste 26 lakhs 92,800. That is a figure the small company is wasting. Imagine if you're reaching out to the medium sized companies or the big size company, how much money those companies has been wasting on the disengaged employees. That problem is very crucial, and we have to target those problems, because ultimately we don't target that problem, the productivity will not come. We all know we have L&D division in the companies, until and they keep floating professional trainings within the companies. But what I'm saying is that until unless your employees are not engaged, until unless they not willingly participate, how could you expect them to go through that professional training, and then that those training will be impactful? It will not be impactful. Until unless your employees are not engaged, none of this professional training will be impactful. So the core of the trainings or any of the business is the engagement. Your employees has to be engaged with their roles and responsibilities. So 50 of these employees annually, out of 90 lakhs, if you're paying 15,000 rupees, out of 90 lakhs, 26 lakhs 92,800 you're wasting, because you have a disengaged workforce within the company, which you can save it, which our engagement expert, our coaches can save it for you. And again, there's been a study by Gallup that companies which are having the engaged workforce within the system, they are more in the productivity, they are more on the higher side of the sales, they are definitely more profitable than the previous years. Now they have a disengaged workforce considering that, and they are happy and they're healthier. So the teams have been engaged, the atmosphere has been very good, the culture, the behavior within the teams are absolutely fine, because they have an engaged workforce. This is again a beautiful slide which I just wanted to show it to you and explain you. Like any human body, we do have a two major organs, brain and heart. We all know that. Similarly, in the businesses also, we do have a brain side of business and the heart side of business. Now, what is that brain side of business is the IT, procedure, policies, governance, the rules and regulation. These are the brain side of businesses, the systems. But we also, and no matter how much robust your policies or the rules and regulations is, everything, it it will not be effectful until unless your heart side of business is engaged and good. So what is that heart side of business? Is behavior, communication, relationship, strong leadership, the culture within the teams, the atmosphere within the offices. That is very, very crucial, and that is where the everything starts from. This heart side of business that needs to be engaged with the brain side of business. And through our engagement tools, we are engaging the heart side of business with the brain side of business. And once the heart side of business and brain side of business is engaged, then you will start see the productivity, then you will start expecting the profits, at the end of, from the company, from the employees. And companies who has worked on their heart side of business are 8 times more successful. That has been a study worldwide, that company who has worked on their heart side of business, their leadership, their behavior, their team activities, team building, cultural, they are 8 times more successful, no matter how much robust technology you are having, no matter how much strong is your system, until unless your heart side of business is not intact or engaged, that will not be impactful. One question which I am having for generally, which I ask for everybody, because now you are the HR head, you are the business owner, you are the consultant, what are those 5 KPIs, or the or the 7 or 8 KPIs which you think that you want our engagement expert coaches to help you in that, to that your team needs to be coached on those KPIs, that those KPIs needs to be target. What are those 5 problems, those 7 problems which you are having it? Or what, if you must have seen the good companies, the targeted companies, what those companies are doing, have implemented in their business, which you have not implemented yet. What are those things? You can write it down in the chat box. I will address it at the end. So please write it down, like what are those KPIs, what are the problems which you think are there in your system, which needs to be which needs to be addressed. What are those things? Please write it down. Going forward, like I said it in the initially, that we are not any industry specific. We are employee centric organization. We working with the employees. Be it any industry, employees are the most important asset for any of these businesses. That is why we are trying to engage the workforce. Now, whether it is service industry, banking industry, hospitality industry, or any of this industry, whether it is sports industry also, employees are the most important asset. They need to be engaged, they need to love their work, what they're doing. This is our USP. These are our programs, 12 different programs which we are having currently. We also name them group activation programs. All of these programs has been neurologically designed by the world 4 best coaches, and these programs is absolutely impacting the human mind, because it has been neurologically designed. The science is involved in these programs. So we have red belt program, we have categorized these programs. We have red belt program which is for 3 months, we have blue belt program which is for a year. So different programs are there which are targeting the different KPIs. We have women leadership program, one-to-one business ownership program as well, sports program, achiever club, we are having it, gray belt program, white belt program, we have 1 day workshop as well. So we have different programs, and whatever the problems you're dealing with in your business at the moment, these programs will definitely cater to those problems. And how these programs will be implemented, for example, if one of if one of you wanted to become a coach, once you became a coach, you need to go out in the market. Once you started talking, once you started initiating with any of these businesses or the companies, you generally ask them what are the problems, what are the things which they are dealing with currently. Once they give you the KPIs, you need to come back to us, to the brand, and then according to those KPIs, we will suggest you the apt program for that specific problems. And then every of these programs has been very well structured. Of course we will coach you in those programs, but these programs have been very well structured. You just need to go out within the company and then present it and then coach them in your own style. That is why we are not very traditional training company. We are not using any pen on paper. We wanted to bring the best out of those employees. This is just a few glimpses which I just wanted to show it to you from our trainings when we used to do the physical coaching training uh, at their premises. That is what we have done. That now we are doing, now all of our coaches have been delivering coaching online as well. You can see Richard Maloney is also there in the black suit, as he himself an engagement experts. He also deliver coaching. These are few of our clients recently which we have worked for out of all. So just wanted to show you the little idea about it. Now these are the I have deliberately put, these are the testimonial slides which I wanted to show it to you. Ken Gillian is a coach from Portugal. So when he implemented this red belt program, which is an engagement expert program which we are having it at the Europe car, in Portugal. So when Ken Gillian has implemented this red belt program, in the week 1, the stats were 90% employees are not engaged, which means disengaged within the workforce, and only 10% employees were engaged when he started this program. By the end of 12 weeks, he has delivered successfully 70% result. You can see only from 90% the disengagement went to 30%, which means The cost of the disengagement is been saved, has been minimized. The company one side is having a saving their cost, on the other side they're expecting a more profitability now because their employees has been engaged now. So it's a win-win situation for any of these businesses. That is the kind of result which we are providing to the companies. Another Mr. Bruno Nugroho, he's a coach from Indonesia. Now I wanted to put an Indonesia slide because that market is pretty much similar than our Indian market as well. So when when Mr. Nugroho implemented again a red belt program in the finance industry, you know, in the week one, the disengagement was 78%. And by the end of 12 weeks, he's been successfully engaged 100% employees. That is the amount of engagement tools which we are bringing. That is the credibility our engagement tools, our engagement methods are having it. Not only he has successfully minimized, completely removed the cost which companies have been wasting before, but this figure, this engagement bought successfully drive within the companies, to get more and more profitability in the next coming years, because their workforce has been engaged. That is why. Now this is a completely different model which we are having a firm model case. So Mr. Marvin Suvarso was already a coach when he joined us. So some of you are trainers or the coaches before, this is for you also, because Mr. Marvin Suvarso was already a coach in 2009. He joined us in 2015, and in his very first year, he has delivered 8 programs. So 8 programs, be it red belt program, blue belt program, any of these programs, he has delivered 8 programs. Then he thought of upgrading his license into a firm license. Now he became a firm owner. He is having 20 plus coaches under his firm, and in his very first 16 months, you can see the figure. He has rightfully earned 700,000 USD in his very first 16 months. So the return of investment is very, very good in this program. 8 programs selling in 1 year, it's not at all difficult. All of our coaches have been very, very successful. When they became a coach, they have been providing successfully methods to the companies, to the businesses. This is again Marvin Soso is again the from Indonesia, and now he's a master coach. This is our team. A few of our coaches, out of all, we are having 300 plus coaches, but then I could take a snapshot of this. We generally meet each other. We generally discuss, what they are doing, what strategies they are applying in their country, what currently programs they are implementing in the current businesses. So we keep doing our meet, through virtual platforms, and we keep, try to help each other, promote each other. So this is just a snapshot which I just wanted to, put it across to you. Now from here, I wanted to discuss about the trainings and then the support which you will get it as a coach. So for example, if you became a coach of Grow, if you became an engagement expert, you decided to go for it, we obviously signed the agreement, and there were few lineup calls which will be done with the global CEO and everybody. Once you decide with that, then we will issue you the pre 3 hours of training online videos. Now in those videos, you'll get a glimpse, you'll get a brief understanding about the brand, about the coach dashboard, the surveys which we are having it, which will help you to get those KPIs of any of these businesses. We will also, give you a picture about the engagement keys which we are having it, different programs, our coaches backgrounds. So these videos will be very, very helpful to start your training. Your training hasn't started yet, but these will help you to give you a little brief idea about these programs. Then the license package, which the support and the package includes, the support will be, you don't need to worry about the content. Our content has been already designed. You just need to go out to the market, deliver your passion to them, figure out the KPIs, the problem which they are dealing with it, and then came back to us and then tell us that we have been to this industry, this is the industry, they're dealing with these many problems, and then accordingly brand will suggest you the best program which you need to implement there. So the content you don't need to worry about. This is a proven and the ready business model for you. uh, Imagine if you're going to start yourself, it will take years to build your content, and then content which has that much of significance in the world, because we are making a huge noise with our engagement tools. We are there in 80 plus countries, and every day we are growing. So this is a proven business model. A ready business model will be provided to you. Then there will be a completely coached dashboard which we will assign it to you. You will be having your dashboard. That dashboard will be full of information. They will be having you will be having a marketing tools, whether it is leaflet, brochure, standees, or the different programs. What are the archive programs at the moment? What other coaches have been doing? So all the updates, the different slides, you can pick and choose and make your own presentation. Whatever you wanted to show it to your client which you're dealing with at the moment, you can do it. So every information that you'll get it from this dashboard. Then there will be a Facebook group, a private Facebook group, or the WhatsApp group as well, which we have dedicatedly made it for the coaches, just to have a global coach community. So for example, if you're having any discussion or if you're having any doubt, any queries, you can ask your question into this private Facebook group. You can ask your question within the WhatsApp group, and within no time you'll get multiple responses. That helpful is a global coach community is. We really try to help the global coach community. Every of our coaches has been very very helpful, very active in these engagement keys. So you'll get a world class support. Then you have a dedicatedly 6 days live training, which we are doing it virtually. So those 6 days training will be provided to you, where we will coach you, on these programs, on these engagement keys. We will also train you. That some of our coaches will also join, master coaches will also join your training sessions. They will come, they will share their experiences. They will take particular topics and then explain you those topics. They will also tell you what you need to do after your trainings. So you will learn from their experiences. Then during the end of your 6 days training, the end of your course, the training will be dedicatedly on topics like lead generation, sales conversion. We will also help you in making your 90-day strategic plan. Everything will be there. Apart from this training, apart from this 6 days training and this world class coach support and this dashboard and this programs, the content, we also have weekly sessions. We have enhance your knowledge session, which we call it EYK. So mostly these coaches come, they inform you in advance. For example, next Wednesday at 4 p.m. they are doing this enhance your knowledge session on a particular topic. This topic keeps changing from time to time, and then they will come and they will share their expertise, their experience on that topic, and how you need to do that topic. So that enhance your knowledge session will be provided to you. Then we also keep Q&A session by the brand itself. So we have our global coach support manager April Holsworth. She's very dedicated to help our coaches. She will come and then take Q&A session. So whatever doubt, whatever queries, whomsoever you're meeting currently, as a prospect, you can share it with them. She will be able to help you and guide you like what exactly you need to do from here. So that support, the world class support will be provided to you. This is a coach dashboard, which is just a snapshot. I took it just to make you understand. We have a survey. You'll be allowed to go for the surveys. You can present those surveys to your client location. You can see the latest updates. All programs details will be there. You have many tools, marketing tools, which will help you to market yourself in the market. Then for example, if you missed any of this enhance your knowledge session, the enhance your knowledge session will be recorded, and then you can find it out from your dashboard. Client testimonial videos will be there. You can use those testimonial videos. Even the Mr. Richard Maloney's videos will be there. You can access to those videos and then send it across to your clients. Everything will be there. The audio book, the video book will be in your dashboard, which you need to which you can, any of this given time, you can provide it to your client in order to get those deals converted. Now when it comes to the investment, the business part, the investment, we, like Venus said it, we specifically, because we are in the Indian market, we specifically change the amount, we specifically change the figure, the investment. We have to, because we are in a different market. So the 3,75,000 is a single coach license, which means for any individual, if you want to become a coach, we try to keep it very simple. It is 3,75,000 investment, which you need to pay it at once in advance. Your license is valid for 3 years, and then during those 3 years, the brand will handhold you everything. You don't need to do anything. You just need to be passionate about this opportunity, that you're owning a business opportunity, a business model for yourself. And if we compare, the price, the investment from the other countries, because I'm a country manager for the Gulf as well, I'm selling the same license at $12,500, in the Gulf. So this is the $5,000 price, which is not even half. It is way before than half. So that's a price. And the outside of this country, we have kept it for 2 years. The validity is 2 years. Here we try to keep it 3 years. And we wanted to have 10 coaches, very soon, so that this price which we can deliver to them. This is for the initial 10 coaches. We already got five coaches. We already locked one farm license, in the south of this country. So we are making a noise in the India region as well. So grab this opportunity. It is a lucrative opportunity, lucrative business model for everybody. Now, when it comes to the another business model, the another investment, which is on the higher side of investment for sure, but this is a firm license. If you want to have a firm license, if you want to have a right of a specific territory, we will assign you the territory according to your choice, whether it is Delhi NCR, whether it is Delhi, whether it is Gurgaon, Faridabad, Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai, Pune, whatever the territory you want, we will assign it to you in that farm license. The investment is obviously the higher side of it, where you can have up to 10 coaches under your farm, and you just need to pay us the training cost. The training cost will be included in that farm license. We only take a training course, and then you will decide the revenue sharing model with your coaches. That, I mean, if you're interested in that, do reach out to me, and then we can discuss in detail, like how the revenue model will be in that farm license. I will also show you how positive revenue you can generate by the end of the year if you take a farm license. So these are the two investment model which we are having currently for our first 10 coaches in India. Our coaches, obviously, once they became a coach, once they gone through the training, they obviously became the employee engagement expert. They got to know the unique training methods, the facilities which they learned from those training, from the support of the brand. They will apply those, unique training methods at the program, at their premises, or the online as well, with their clients. So everything will be, taught to you. The brand will handle you in every single detail or the big details. This will be your journey of success, the road to success of our coaches. So once you became a coach, you became bronze level coach. Then if you delivered a first program, you became a silver level coach. Simultaneously, you can have multiple programs. It's not only that once you have a do a program, because our program is once in a week, and it will only be for 1.5 hours. So you can do multiple programs within a week. That's how the lucrative opportunity it is. Because if you do even if 4 programs in a week, you'll be within 4 programs, you'll be able to cater your cost of your investment even more than that. So within the 4 programs, so that good this business model is. So once you do 4 programs, you became gold. Accordingly, if you do 12 programs, you became double platinum coach, and then at the end you became triple platinum coach. This is your road of success. So this is it from my side. Like, people who are interested, though I will be reaching out to you, one on one personally from tomorrow. And then if you're interested, do let me know. Do reach out to me. I've put my credentials in the chat box. I hope you like this presentation, this opportunity. We can discuss in detail. Every of your question, your queries, I will be able to resolve it. So this is it from my side. Let me just see if you're having any questions here. And Venus, if you want to add anything to this opportunity, please do that. Simultaneously, I just see the options.
No, I think we had a good discussion in the beginning, and you have put this very well. I guess the only thing I would want to add is that when we are, sort of doing these sessions to, talk to people who would be joining the engagement group community. So this is just the pre-initial step. If this goes ahead, then of course you will first speak to Shobhit, then myself, and then once that is done, you would also speak to our CEO of the business. So you would go through a complete process, which is not just about selling, it's about actually selecting each other, knowing each other. If needed, we will also get you on calls with our other coaches. So it's a complete process which is there, just to kind of make you aware about who we are, and also, I mean, us knowing you, because at the end of the day, we would have to do business with each other for a very long time. So again, this is something which is a process, and if this is, you would want to take this on one-on-one, have a call with me, or Shobhit, just send us an email. I think Shobhit has put his details on the chat box. And thank you so much again for, we still have a tremendous amount of attendance from the time we started and now. So I hope this was valuable. Let us know your feedback. If you have any feedback on our sessions, if you would want us to address, maybe, because we do this every Monday, 4 p.m. Every Monday, 4 p.m. So if you would want us to cover a specific topic next time, just let us know. If you would want us to improve something, just let us know. But overall, namaste and thank you so much. Have a great evening, and hopefully we'll catch soon. Take care.
I also want to address the Onkar Sen. I guess Onkar has replied to few of these KPIs, if I'm not wrong. That employee satisfaction, recognition, award and reward, effective communication, mutual agreement, culture integration. So Onkar, like you have mentioned all the hard side of business, and that is exactly what we are talking about. We really need to cater these problems. This will fall ultimately to the hard side of businesses, and that is what the engagement tools been very, very impacting and then effectful. So we really need to target that. That is what you thought, that these things will be, should be target, and that is what the the engaging growth is bringing with them. And the common policy which you have mentioned, I'm just looking at the Q&A box. You said the common policy to improve the outcome of disengaged employees, to put them into PIP. Yeah, that is what we have been, seeing.
That is not
everywhere.
employee engagement.
That is not employee engagement.
That's not employee engagement.
Yeah.
And that's like the last sort of, that's the last stroke in pushing somebody out. So that is not employee engagement. It's actually create a lot of toxicity. If it is happening once in a while, sure. But if that becomes a culture, there is definitely a problem. And again, remember, if employees are not performing, however bad the employer might be, but actually it's his loss. He's losing money every month on the cost of the cost of people, plus the loss of business. So it's a double whammy for him. And if you include the cost of lost opportunity, it's triple whammy. So a productive employee is an issue which is not only an issue for an employee. It is and again, I totally understand. See, and I work in franchising. I've been doing this for 14 years. And franchise companies and franchisors generally are family-owned companies and family businesses. But so that's why for Engage and Grow, the ideal audience for it won't be very micro and small businesses. Your ideal target would be businesses above, I guess, if I can say, 25 to 50 crores and above, but I would say mid-size to large-size businesses. They would have the issues and challenges and requirement of what the product is about, which is they have, let's say, top 10 general managers, or they have 5 general managers, 3 sales manager, and business is not sort of happening the way it was planned in, let's say, beginning of the financial year. For them, business not happening is not an option. If it is a mom and pop operation, of course, that's it. So you have to target businesses for whom a bad quarter is is not an option. Yeah. So those businesses are mid-sized. These are also family-owned businesses, but they are at much bigger scale. So they have much different problems to solve than what you would call a micro and small enterprises. So they would be an ideal businesses for you to address, and there are plenty of those. There are plenty of those, especially if I talk about the main hubs of India. So Delhi in north, Gurgaon, Noida, Delhi NCR, if I can use that word. Even and then you have Mumbai. You definitely Pune. Pune is an absolutely great. As I mentioned, it is one of the most highly has the highest concentration of consultant and coaches in the country. Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Kolkata, definitely. So you would want, if you are from these cities, I guess that's the opportunity might suit you better. So, but again, I think there are many other cities in India where there are a lot of businesses of different kinds. So it really depends. So yeah, Shobit.
Yeah, so that's it, Venus. I mean, I really thank you for joining me today here,
Thank
and
you.
thank you all the attendees, all the participants to be here with us and gave your time to understand this opportunity. Thank you so much. Like Venus said, we would all require your feedback, your thoughts on this model, on this business model. I will be also reaching out to you. Do reach out to me. I hope you made a note of my email address and my contact number. You can reach out to me directly. Great. So I hopefully I will talk to you soon, very soon. Thank you, Venus. Thank you.